student. Today we are in our second lecture of NEET chapter 1 11 science. In last lecture we discussed the multiple proportion law of multiple proportion. Today we are in our fourth law of chemical combination, Gay-Lussac law of gaseous volumes. This law is only applicable for gases, not for liquid or solid. This law states that when hydrogen is combining with oxygen, so gives water, here all the component, reactant and product should be in gaseous state. Like product અને reactant બધા gas હોવા જોઈએ તો applicable થાય. You can see here is nothing means 1 mole of hydrogen. 1/2 means 0.5 mole of oxygen. Here nothing, any superscript means coefficient is nothing, means 1 mole of water occurs. Now STP means standard temperature and pressure. Clear? Standard temperature and pressure means temperature is 273 Kelvin, means 0 degree Celsius, and whenever pressure is 1 atmosphere, so which is called the STP. So at STP, volume of any gas, not of liquid or solid, at STP, whenever temperature 273 Kelvin, 0 Celsius, pressure 1 atmosphere હોય, volume of any gas should be 22.4 liter, which is fixed. So here 1 mole gas means 22.4 liter. Here is 0.5 mole. So obviously 1 mole equal to 22.4 liter. So 0.5 mole equal to how much? So 0.5 into 22.4. So 5 by 10 into 22.4. So 11.2 liter. So this is half a liter. 1 mole, so 22.4 liter. Understood? Now when we liter convert into milliliters, so 22,400 milli, 11,200 milli, 22 and 400 milli. From this data we can say if oxygen is 100 milli, so another double check, so it will be 200 milli. Yes, 100 check, so another double, so it gives 200 milli of water. If this is taken 50 milli, then double will be 100 milli. This one also double, then it will be 100 milli. Yes, this is Gay-Lussac law. We will use in our NEET solution in exam. Now clear? Now fifth one is Avogadro law. Avogadro's law. બધા ધ્યાન આપજો છોકરાઓ. Law of Avogadro. Avogadro's law. This law states that scientist Avogadro has taken 3 vessels having same volume same of the three container, pressure is same, temperature is same, and different gases is filled into the vessel. So whenever volume same, pressure same, temperature same, then number of molecules are same, said by Avogadro. How can we say? Yes, listen. At STP, temperature is 273 Kelvin, means 0 degree Celsius, suppose. It is clear? Pressure is suppose 1 atmosphere of all the three containers, of all the three vessels. Temperature same, pressure same. If volume is 22.4 liter, so we know at STP 22.4 liter means 1 mole. So gases inside is 1 mole, and 1 mole equal to 6.022 10 raised to 23 molecules. So molecules are same. Clear? So when we take 3 or more than 3 vessels having same volume, same pressure, same temperature, so inside number of molecules of the gas, not of liquid or solid, remain same. This is the law of Avogadro. Yes, STP is now understood. In our syllabus, when word comes up in any chapter STP, so it is fixed. Decided temperature by scientists is 273, means 0 degree Celsius, and 1 atmosphere is called STP. At STP, when we take 1 mole gas, so it has a volume 22.4 liter. Otherwise, when we take at STP volume 22.4 liter, so molecules are 1 mole quantity. That is the Avogadro's law. Now we are going to solve some numericals. First of all, we are going to discuss mole concept. Yes, mole. Today we are going to solve numericals. First is a mole. Mole equal to mass of a substance upon molecular mass of the given substance. હવે તો તમે કહું છું એકદમ ક્લિયરલી find out mole of 46 gram sodium metal. આપણે mole define કરવા છે of the sodium metal. So in the sodium metal, sodium is not in the form of molecule, which is in the form of atoms. So mole of sodium equal to mass of sodium metal upon not molecular mass but atomic mass of sodium. So mass of sodium metal is given 46. Atomic mass is here 23. So 23 2 ja, so it gives 2 mole sodium atoms. Yes, but when find out mole of 48 gram, sorry 54 gram of water. So first of all, here mole of water mass of water upon molecular mass of the water. Understood? કારણ કે our substance in the molecular form. So moles of water define કરવા હોય. So first we have to define molecular mass of the water. Here 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen. Actually atomic mass of hydrogen, no need to remember, exam માં આપેલું હોય છે, which is given in exam 1. Oxygen 16. So 2 plus 16 gives 18. And unit of molecular mass is gram per mole. Here mass of water is given 54 gram. Molecular mass is 18. Gram cut upon up, so 3 mole water. Understood? So this type of numericals we are going to discuss. Now clear? For getting mole of atom, we have to take mass upon atomic mass. For getting mole of molecules, we have to take mass of the substance upon molecular mass. Now question, find out number of moles of 36 gram water and number of molecules of water, number of atoms of hydrogen and oxygen, and total number of atoms. If this type of question asked, 36 gram water is given, we have to define number of moles of the water, then molecules of the water, number of atoms of the hydrogen, number of atoms of the oxygen, and total number of atoms in 36 gram water. So what we have to do? First of all, we have to derive molecular mass of the water. Yes, molecular mass of water. 2 hydrogen, 1 oxygen. 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen. Atomic mass of hydrogen is 1, of oxygen 16. So 2 plus 16 means 18 gram per mole. Now mole of water. Now we will symbolize as a N. W means weight upon molecular weight. Yes, this is formula in salt. So weight is 36 gram. Here 18. So 2 mole water is our answer, first answer. Mole of water is 2. Clear? Now molecules of water. We know 1 mole water means Avogadro number 6.022 10 raised to 23 molecules. But for 2 mole water, how much? So 2 into 6.022 10 raised to 23. So 12.044 10 raised to 23. Now one pointer moves on right hand side. So rest will be increased by 1 digit. So 24 comes here. This is long. But direct method is like this. Number of molecules of the water equal to mole of water into Avogadro number. Direct इतना mole into Avogadro number. Here mole is derived 2. Then Avogadro number, which is fixed 6.022 10 raised to 23. So obviously same answer, 1.12.044 10 raised to 23 means 1.2044 10 raised to 24 molecules of the water. Clear? This is our second answer. Molecules of the water is now derived. These are the molecules of the water. Understood? Now for getting number of atoms. How? In one molecule of water there are 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen. Rough work. H2O માં હાઇડ્રોજન કેટલા દેખાય છે? 2. Oxygen 1. Yes. So one molecule of water gives 2 hydrogen, 1 oxygen. So 1 mole H2O gives 2 mole hydrogen and 1 mole oxygen. This ratio from this formula. But our gated answer is 2 mole. So on the basis of it, I 2 mole લખવાનું. So this one for આનાથી double, આના same. So here 2 mole. So our answer 4 mole hydrogen atoms and 2 mole oxygen atoms. Understood? So number of atoms of the hydrogen are mole of hydrogen atoms into Avogadro number. એટલે એક મોલેક્યુલ H2O નો હોય ને એમાં 2 હાઇડ્રોજન એટમ હોય અને 1 ઓક્સિજન હોય. તો 1 મોલ હોય તો 2 મોલ હાઇડ્રોજન ને 1 મોલ ઓક્સિજન થાય. પણ 2 મોલ હોય તો આ 1 છે આ 2 છે તો આ 2 છે તો આ 4 થાય. So 4 mole hydrogen atom multiplied by 6.022 10 raised to 23. So 24.088 10 raised to 23. 1 digit, after 1 digit our answer. Point decimal moves in left hand side. Rest increase થાય 24. Yes, here 8 is more than 5. So near about value. અહીંયા 1 8 થાય અને બધું નીકળી જાય. So 10 raised to 24. This is number of hydrogen atoms. Now what about oxygen atoms? Same. Number of atoms of oxygen. Mole of oxygen atoms into Avogadro number. Here should be 2. 2. 2 છે એટલે 2. 2 મોલ હોય તો 2 મોલ આપશે એમ. 1 મોલ હોય તો 1 આપશે તો 2 મોલ છે ને વોટર એટલે 2 મોલ એટલે એક મોલેક્યુલમાં 1 ઓક્સિજન છે તો 1 આપે ને તો 1 મોલમાં 1 આપે 2 મોલમાં 2 આપે. So 12.044. 1 point after decimal. So 1 rest increase y. Decimal moves on left hand side. So right hand side જાય તો rest degrees થાય. 1 decimal આમ જાય તો -1, આમ જાય તો +1. So 1.2044 10 raised to 24. This is number of oxygen atoms. but total number of atoms. 2 mole of water gives 4 plus 2, 6 mole atoms. Yes. 1 molecule gives 3 atoms, 2 hydrogen, 1 oxygen. So 1 mole water gives 3 mole atoms. So 2 mole gives obviously double, 6 mole atoms. So total number of atoms will be mole of total atoms multiplied by Avogadro number. So 6 into 6.022. 6 into 6.022 gives 36.132. 36.132. Here 1 decimal point moves up left hand side, so rest increases. So 3.613 10 raised to 24 total number of atoms are there. This is our final answer. Understood? Now next question. We are going to next question to solve. Here, find out number of moles of 88 gram carbon dioxide and number of molecules of carbon dioxide, number of atoms of carbon and oxygen, and total number of atoms in 88 gram carbon dioxide. First of all, same method, molecular mass of CO2. Here 1 carbon and 2 oxygen are there. Atomic mass of carbon is 12, of oxygen 16. So 12 plus 32, 44 gram per mole. Understood? So now mole of carbon dioxide, mass upon molecular mass. Why? CO2 is in molecular form. For getting mole of CO2 we have to take here and molecular mass level 88 divided by 44. So 2 mole of CO2 occurs. These are the moles of carbon dioxide. So 2 mole of carbon dioxide here occurs. Now tell me number of molecules of carbon dioxide. Our shortcut, mole of carbon dioxide into Avogadro number. As a mole derived thought, Avogadro number means 6.022 10 raised to 23. Yes. Oh, simple. 1 mole equal to 6.022 10 raised to 23 molecules. So 2 mole, how much? Very simple. So 12.044 and 23. Here should be after 1 digit decimal point. For getting this point, decimal point moves toward left hand side. So when we move in left hand side, rest increases. 1 place जाए डाबी साइड तो 1 इंक्रीज થાય બે પ્લેસ જાય તો 2 here 1 so 1.022 10 raised to 24 molecules of carbon dioxide in 88 grams CO2. Now moles of carbon and oxygen. Yes sir. Rough work. In CO2 there is 1 carbon and 2 oxygen. In CO2 there is 1 carbon and 2 oxygen. It means 1 molecule of CO2 gives 1 carbon and 2 oxygen. When we take 1 mole CO2, so it gives 1 mole carbon and 2 mole oxygen. But our gated mole of CO2 is 2. तो formula परથી simple ratio है. With help of it we can easily derive. Suppose here is 2 mole CO2. આ 1 છે તો આ 1 છે તો આ 2 છે તો આ 2 થશે. એટલે આ 1 હોય તો 1 આપે તો 2 હોય તો કેટલા 2 આપે. આ 1 હોય તો 2 આપે તો 2 હોય તો 4 આપે. એટલે 2 mole of carbon અહીંયા atoms આવશે not molecule. આ મોલેક્યુલ છે આ કાર્બન એટમ્સ આ 4 mole oxygen atoms. Yes, now getting number of atoms of carbon. So mole of carbon atoms multiply by Avogadro number. Mole of carbon atoms 2 into 6.022 10 raised to 23. So 12.044 10 raised to 23. 1 decimal comes here. 1.2044 10 raised to 24. Now for getting number of atoms of oxygen. So here number of oxygen atoms multiplied by Avogadro number. So 4 into 6.022. So 24.088 10 raised to 23. So here is 2.088. Point after 1 digit there should be point. It is compulsory. Scientific notation. Here 8 is more than 5. So 1 here increases on 0. So 2.41. 1 digit on the 10 raised to 23 plus 1 10 raised to 24 thigh. Yes. Now total number of atoms. So 1 molecule gives total 3 atoms. 1 molecule gives 3 atoms. 2 plus 1. तो एक molecule में atom કેટલા છે 3. तो 1 mole હોય તો 3 mole atoms આપે. तो 2 mole હોય તો 4 plus 2. એટલે 6 mole atoms occurs there. 6 mole atoms occurs. Total. So total number of atoms is equal to mole of total atoms multiply by Avogadro number. So here will be 6. So 36.132. Yes, 6 into 6.022 gives 36.132. Yes sir. There is a decimal after 2 digit. After 1 digit it will be increase by 10 raised to 24. This is our total number of atoms. I hope બધું સમજાઈ ગયું હશે. Totally everything is clear now. Now another question. find out the mole of 120 gram sodium hydroxide and its molecules. बस अगली पूछे तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल sodium hydroxide. So molecular mass of sodium hydroxide, one sodium, one oxygen and one hydrogen. There is atomic mass of sodium 23, of the oxygen 16, of the hydrogen 1. 23 plus 16 plus 1, 40 gram per mole. Understood? Now mole of sodium hydroxide means NaOH formula. Mole is equal to mass upon molecular mass 120 divided by 40. So 3 mole sodium hydroxide is there. So number of molecules, not atoms, of sodium hydroxide equal to mole of sodium hydroxide into Avogadro number. So 3 into 6.022 10 raised to 23, 18.066 10 raised to 23. After one digit there should be point 1 and rest increase થાય point આમ જાય છે તો decrease થાય તો increase. So આના 6 3 more than 5. So one step here 1.81 10 raised to 24 molecules of sodium hydroxide are present in 120 gram. I hope now everything is clear. Now in your homework you have to solve. First question, find out mole of methane in 64 gram. Yes, mole of methane in 64 gram. Mole of 64 gram methane and mole of carbon, hydrogen and total number of atoms. Moles of carbon, moles of hydrogen, total mole of atoms, and also number of carbon, hydrogen and total atoms. Yes, આ mole પેલા પછી ના number of atoms. Second question, find out mole of only mole 100 gram Na2CO3 10H2O. Here molecule atomic mass of sodium 23, of carbon 12, of oxygen 16, of hydrogen 1, sodium 23, carbon 12, here is oxygen 16, hydrogen 1. These two questions you have to send me in my personal number, WhatsApp number. Okay, now bye. We will meet in our next lecture. Till then, bye. I hope બધું સમજાઈ ગયું હશે.